In our list, the number 5 product name is BEJONI 66-inch L loading ramps for pickup trucks. BEJONI 66-inch long folding truck loading ramps offer a practical solution for transporting equipment using pickup trucks. Made from high-quality alloy steel, the ramps support a combined weight of 880 pounds per pair. Their silver finish and durable construction make them reliable for various loading tasks. The structure includes features that improve grip and reduce the chance of slipping while driving up with motorcycles, lawn mowers, or small carts. Designed for pickup trucks, the maximum suitable loading height is 18.8 inches or 48 centimeters. It is important to follow this guideline to ensure safety and avoid damaging the ramps. The width fits vehicles with tire sizes smaller than 18 centimeters, allowing smooth placement during use. These ramps fold down to a compact size of 37 inches by 8.7 inches by 3.7 inches, making them easy to store in a vehicle trunk or garage. The handle located on the side provides a convenient way to carry them anywhere without extra effort. Whether you need them for work or home, moving different tools and machines becomes more efficient. Their punched steel surface provides better traction, reducing the chance of tire slipping even when it rains. Water drains quickly from the surface, keeping the path safe. The special design with buckle hinges helps balance the weight across the ramp while loading. This creates a more stable connection between the vehicle and the ramp, reducing movement. These steel ramps are useful for many tasks. You can use them for motorcycles, garden equipment, or small trailers. Their solid build and thoughtful design make them an excellent helper in any setting that requires safe and stable loading. The BEJONI brand ensures ease of use and dependable results every time. In our list, the number 4 product name is Evcitn loading ramps for pickup trucks. Evcitn loading ramps for pickup trucks offer a useful option for moving equipment like motorcycles, golf carts, and utility vehicles. These ramps are made from strong iron and come in a silvery finish. Each ramp is lightweight, with a total weight of 34 pounds for the set. The unfolded length measures 78.7 inches while the width is 8.6 inches, giving enough surface space for different types of wheels. The ramps support a total load of 1,500 pounds per pair. Each individual ramp handles up to 750 pounds. This capacity is suitable for various machines including lawn mowers and snow blowers. Coated with rust-resistant oil, the iron material is built to resist corrosion and damage over time. A handle is built into the side of each piece for easier transport. When not in use, each ramp folds to a compact size of 39.4 inches in length. The folding structure allows storage in vehicle trunks or garages with limited space. Crossbars and hinges are joined firmly to ensure long-lasting use and simple setup. The surface features a dense punching pattern instead of wide gaps. This design helps to prevent tires from slipping or getting stuck during loading. The pattern also stops water from collecting, making the ramps suitable for use during different weather conditions. Vehicles with a loading height no greater than 31.5 inches are recommended for use with these ramps. The slope provided by the ramp structure creates a safer path for loading without a steep angle. From sheds to barns and garages, these ramps offer a steady method to lift and lower different machines. Evcitn ramps are designed to serve various tasks with dependable support. In our list, the number 3 product name is BEJONI 67-inch folding truck ramps. BEJONI 67-inch folding ramps provide a simple way to move different types of vehicles onto pickup trucks or trailers. These ramps are built from strong alloy steel and have a silver finish. Each piece weighs 30.8 pounds, making them manageable to carry and store when not in use. The dimensions of each ramp are 67 inches in length, 8.7 inches in width, and 4.1 inches in height. The total weight these ramps can support is 960 pounds per pair, suitable for lifting lighter machines like scooters or compact tractors. It is important to use these with vehicles that have tire widths under 18 cm and to stay below the height limit of 48 cm to ensure proper balance. The structure includes a surface that resists slipping, which helps maintain grip while moving up or down. Top pads made from protective material reduce the chance of scratches on vehicle surfaces. These features are designed to lower the risk of accidents and provide extra control during loading. When finished, the ramps can be folded and stored easily in a garage or truck bed. The built-in handles on the sides allow for quick lifting and transport. This folding ability helps keep storage needs low, especially in tighter spaces. The set includes 2 ramps along with top support attachments, fasteners, and washers to help with proper setup. Before using, the parts must be fitted securely to make sure the connection stays stable during use. These ramps are suitable for loading dirt bikes, 4-wheelers, garden equipment, and other small transport machines. Their size and strength offer a reliable choice for people needing dependable support when moving items into pickup trucks or similar vehicles. BEJONI provides a useful tool for everyday transport needs. In our list, the number 2 product name is LIEKUMM 74-inch LX 8.7W loading ramp for pickup truck. LIEKUMM 74-inch long loading ramps are built for pickup trucks to help move equipment like motorcycles, tractors, and garden tools with less effort. These ramps are made from strong alloy steel and come in a silver color. Each ramp weighs around 16.5 pounds, and the pair together weighs about 33.1 pounds. The full size when unfolded is 74 inches in length, 8.7 inches in width, and 1.8 inches in height. When folded, each piece reduces to 40.9 inches in length. The compact shape allows it to fit inside vehicle trunks or storage corners without taking up much room. A built-in side handle makes the ramp easy to carry to different work sites or outdoor locations. This ramp is meant for use at a height not greater than 53 centimeters. Keeping below this height helps maintain safe angles when loading items. Using beyond this limit may result in a sharp slope that affects balance during movement. A tightly patterned surface helps prevent slipping by adding grip between the tires and the ramp. The design reduces the chance of wheels sliding, especially in wet conditions. The slope does not collect water, so it works in different types of weather. The ramp should always be secured using straps before loading. The top area connects better to the truck bed with a headboard that helps reduce shaking. Protective padding also guards against damage while in use. Each package includes 2 ramps, side handles, screws, nuts, washers, safety straps, and gloves. One ramp can carry 440 pounds. For best use, vehicle weight should stay under 330 pounds to avoid pressure on the structure. These ramps assist in moving various tools and machines with steady support and reliable use. In our list, the number 1 product name is LEMNISCATE loading ramps for pickup trucks. LEMNISCATE aluminum loading ramps are designed to help with moving equipment like golf carts, small motorcycles, and garden tools onto pickup trucks. Made from lightweight metal, the ramps are silver in color and weigh 15.8 pounds total. Each ramp measures 63 inches long, 8.5 inches wide, and 2.36 inches high when in use. Folded down, the length becomes 31.5 inches, which saves space during transport or storage. The total weight support for this pair is 1,500 pounds, with each single ramp holding up to 750 pounds. This strength helps with lifting a wide range of lighter machines onto trucks or trailers without difficulty. These ramps work well with heights between 12 inches and 17 inches, offering a smooth path without making the slope too steep. The surface includes raised holes, which help provide stronger grip and stop slipping during loading. Water drains through these openings, making the ramp safe even in rainy weather. The surface can be cleaned easily and is made to resist rust, giving long-term use over time. The head plates at the top and the triangle-shaped tail section help improve the way the ramps connect with the ground and vehicle. This shape helps with smoother transitions and better balance during the lifting process. You can use either one ramp or both ramps together based on what you are loading. Whether you are moving a lawn mower, utility cart, or dirt bike, these ramps provide a steady option for everyday work or outdoor projects. Their foldable frame and side handles make them simple to carry and store when not being used. LEMNISCATE ramps bring solid support and convenience for small vehicle transportation.